never experienced this side of Bangalore.
I think this is the place wherein it has not been explored much.
And that panoramic view of the city is amazing.
I loved it.
We are in the mid of forest.
And so much of greenery is there over here.
It's raining as well. After a long time we got drenched.
For the first time I was trekking.
From a bird's eye view, you can actually see the city of Bangalore. The best part of this trek is you can complete it in a day. It's a short trek but very nice view, and
Everyone must try this place as a half day trekking.
I think it'll just, you could do it probably in 3 hours.
We were amazed nature and it is too cool. I felt good. Cheese!
Yes, dear friends, this wonderful lush green forest and a short trekking place is just outskirts of the Bangalore. This place is not being explored by many people, though it is not far from the city. This trek is 1.5 kilometer walk, which is almost flat surface. At this place, one can experience breathtaking views of Mother Nature and feel the freshness of the air. And also you can see awesome panoramic view of the Bangalore city. My dear friends, it's exciting to let you know that there are so many such unexplored and beautiful places in and around Bangalore city. I will come up with all those places one by one in my upcoming videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned. In this video, I will take you for a short trek inside a lush green forest which is just 20 kilometers from city center. Kindly don't miss out any part of this video, as I will talk about parking your vehicle, how safe is this place, what time to visit, and how to reach this place. It's very much exciting, right? Then let's go. Now we are on the top of Vaijagiri Hills. There you can see two signboards. Just before that, a small pathway going towards the forest. Let's take that route. So after 500 meters walk, we reach this place, which is very good for photography. So don't forget to click your photos here. One can visit this place in group, maybe with your family in the morning times, because late in the evening you may witness wild animals, especially the elephants. As you can see, at this place, various complex themes and miniature houses are built using stones and pebbles by the pilgrims in a belief that their wishes would be fulfilled. and these miniatures are spread over an entire area here. We also built a tiny house using stones and sincerely prayed that our wishes would turn out to be true. Further on the way, you can see this mysterious mage architecture built using stones, which seems to be a small temple. By now, it started raining, so we took a shelter inside the small temple. I could not resist myself without getting wet in the beautiful forest rain. The rain did not stop for a while, so we started walking towards our destination. Now we reached our destination, Suvarnamukhi. You can see many temples over here. Hanuman, Lord Shiva, Rameshwara, Subramanya, Amba Bhavani, and the beautiful Suvarnamukhi Kalyani are the major attractions.
ಹೋಯ್ತು ನೀರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಕಾಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡೋಯ್ತು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಹೊಂಡ ಸಿಕ್ತಂತೆ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಒದ್ಲಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5-6 ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾಯಿ ಅವ ಜನ್ಮೇಜ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇದೇನೋ ಹಿಂಗಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕೊಳ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದು.
The priest explained the rich history of building this pond. The water in this Kalyani is crystal clear and believed to have curative powers. Whoever takes bath in this Kalyani will be cured by many diseases. After this, we took a short hike up a small hill to witness the splendid view of Bangalore city. Now we will see how to reach this place, Suvarnamukhi. Reach Bannerghatta and take right just before National Park. Go inside about 300 meters and reach Champakadhama Temple. There is a huge and good parking place available over here, and shops also if you want to buy something. And the Vaijagari Hills is just behind the temple. Take about 50 to 60 steps and you will see an excellent view of Champakadhama Temple from the top. And take another 20 to 30 steps to reach the Narasimha Swami Temple at the hilltop. From here, walk about 100 meters, you will see a small walkway, and that is the starting point toward Suvarnamukhi.
It's a nice break from work from home, sitting otherwise inside the home with laptop working. So coming out for a fresh air amidst nature, it's always good. Nice. Enjoy. Whenever we think about trekking, we always think about outside Bangalore, but I think we have never realized that inside Bangalore there could be some small places like this which it doesn't take much time for plan, you can go quickly, come back, and it is good for kids also of any age, can go, just move, take a break. Also they can explore how it is to be with the nature, climbing the mountains, cut.